So today is our fifth day of our informational book writing. So we're at session 5. And today we're really going to talk about elaboration. So I know that you guys have learned some different ways to elaborate. And sometimes that's good. Like if you're elaborating about something in your topic. But sometimes writers struggle with the idea of what they should elaborate about. So let me give you here. So today I want to teach you that writers give careful attention to the content they include in their pieces, deciding not only what should go into each section, but also what should be excluded. So sometimes when we are elaborating, we're elaborating about things that necessarily don't go into the chapter or the paper that we're talking about. So here's my chapter 1. On one side, you see my table of contents, which are poodle hybrid breeds. And here's my chapter 1 on the golden doodle. So I'm going to read it to you, and then I'm going to show you what I'm thinking about it. So golden doodles are a hybrid breed of golden retriever and poodle. They are known for being highly intelligent and good with kids. There are also labradoodles and puggles, but they are not known for being good with children. Golden doodles love the water. This instinct comes from the golden retriever in them. You have to be careful while allowing them to swim with young children, though. They are strong and enthusiastic swimmers, which can intimidate younger, less skilled swimmers. The, the schnoodle might be better swimming companion for young kids because it is smaller and less strong. The Maltipoo does not swim, but does like to bask in the sun. The golden doodle is also a good hunter due to the intelligence gained from both breeds, coupled with the retriever instincts. Studies show that 63% of hunters prefer to bring a dog with them. So I was noticing when I was reading that back to myself that there were some things that maybe shouldn't be included in this chapter. And actually, some of them could be included in other chapters. So I was thinking, like, for instance, right here, there are also labradoodles and puggles. I don't think this is the place where we should be talking about. They're also known for not known for being as good with children. So we might put that information about them into the chapter about labradoodles and the chapter about puggles. Another thing that I was noticing is that we started talking about here about the Maltipoo does not swim but likes to bask in the sun. That's not really what we're talking about here. We're not talking about the Maltipoo in this chapter, so we probably want to take that out. And this here at the end, studies show that 63% of hunters prefer to bring a dog with them. I really, though I could include it, I do think that's elaborating too much. So you notice what I'm doing here is I'm not only looking at what I should be adding, I'm taking out information that I shouldn't be adding. Here's about the snickerdoodle. Okay, and I'm putting those into the places where they actually should go. Because in this chapter, all we're talking about is the golden doodle. So today, need to erase all that again. I always forget. Today, as you're writing, what you're going to do is you're going to keep writing your book, working on chapters, but you also might want to look back and you might want to think, what elaborations go with this chapter? Or are there other chapters that I can put this information that it would fit better? So think carefully about what to include in your book, but also about what not to include in your book.